In this Orion review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to blast your links to over 200 different traffic sources. And I'm going to show you what this actually is because it really doesn't talk about it on the sales page. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm going to also show you how to get a discount on the product you see on the sales page and every single one of the upgrades. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Orion, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, on my bonus page, you're going to find a ton of extra bonuses here, including products that have recently launched online. So if you want to get all those bonuses, make sure you pick this up through my link. You'll find them all waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says the world's most powerful free traffic app ever. One-click software auto blasts any link to 200 sources for unlimited free buyer traffic in 60 seconds, even if you're a beginner with zero tech skills. So essentially what this is, and I'll show you inside this review today, is it is a page builder and it's a way of taking those different links that you create and blasting them out to this tons and tons of different traffic sources, some of them better than others, but it makes it easy to share them on social networks. It also includes a bunch of other tools inside of this. It even has like an autoresponder tool, an SMS tool. It's kind of like a toolbox of traffic tools all in one. So let's take a look more here as well. So it shows some income proof here. I don't know really how relevant this income proof here. I mean, it shows how money that they're making in their business. So it's thanks to free traffic. So they're showing money that they're making with free traffic. That's fine. Step one, grab a copy of the product, enter any link you want to send traffic to, and then you can enjoy the traffic in as little as 60 seconds. But you do need to share each and every individual one. So I'll make sure I show you that as well here. Here's normal sales page stuff, showing the dream, blah, blah, blah. We don't need to see all this. Okay, let me just get you down here. Here's some income here, but I mean, this is just this. I feel like I see this graphic all the time on different sales pages. So, okay, so I want to show you. Okay, here's what it does. It allows you to also, it works with like all the different platforms, Warrior Plus, ClickBank. You can do affiliate marketing with it. You get the software, you get the tutorials with it, the quick start guide. And I wanted to show you, here's some more income proof, money that they've made. Again, I see this all the time on these sales pages. That's whatever. That's how this works. We're all quite used to this now. Okay, so here's what you get here. Just kind of showing you, there's a bunch of different bonuses here that you get. You get the software, you get everything, and it's going to be a really low one-time price. I want to show you this, and I'll make less money because I show you this, but I don't care. If you come to this page, and then you move your mouse away. Watch this. Move your mouse away. You get $5 off. So make sure you do that. Make sure you move your mouse away so you can get a discount on this product. I always want you to pay less for these things. So just make sure you do that. So that's the front end offer. Let me take you over to the actual back end area and show you what this is all about. So this is what it's going to look like once you log in here. This is a JV demo account. It has this graph here of all kinds of, like, they say also the traffic they get. I think this is generated by their software, but whatever, let's ignore that. So this shows you the operating systems that you get, where the traffic is coming from, etc. here. Let me show you what this does. Okay, so the first thing that this software does is it's going to show you different deals from different networks here. So it's kind of cool. It'll show you, like, I mean, you could do it manually. You could open up the different networks and look at this, but it's kind of nice to have it in one place. You can go down through and look at like the top selling products right now, the featured products, like right now, video agency funnels, Rewardsly. These products right here are top products on the JVZoo marketplace. So if you want to see what the top products are right now, you can see, you can even go down through, you can take a look at the next page here. Changio, that's the product that we just sold. That was the top product on the 10th. And you can go down and see which products are selling the best. You can check out their sales pages and you can sign up for them as an affiliate. So that's one. Warrior Plus also shows you the top deals on these networks, so you can see which ones are selling the best here, different products here as well. You can search through them. And they have deals from ClickBank included as well here. So you can check out different products on ClickBank. You can search through them and find different offers to promote. So that's that there. Not too fancy, but it's a could be a useful tool, especially if you're just beginning. Now, this next part of the software is the page builder. And this is something that they don't really even touch on the sales page, or at least I didn't notice it, and I don't know why, because it's a pretty cool part of this software. So what you can do, it has all these different templates here that you can create a page with. It doesn't have like hundreds and hundreds of templates, but it does have these. It also has the ability to start from a blank template if you want to just create your own. So let's just take one of these here. I'm just going to take, let's say I like this one right here. So let's take this one, and you just click on it. It's pretty fast, actually, faster than other page builders I've seen. You can go in here, you can edit everything in here pretty easily. You can just like go like that, edit the fonts and everything. You can add in different things. Like if you want to add in a video here, you can create a page with a video on it. If you just going to drag and drop it like that. And you can add in like your video URL, you can upload it or add in a URL to add a video in, add different images. You can even, if you want to change the template, you can do it in here. You can do a blank template. So if you just want to drag and drop everything in here and create your own kind of layout, you can do that as well. You can also, you can see the source code here. So if you're a techie person, you can see that. I'm not a techie person, so I want to see the design area of this. And then you can see how it's going to look on different devices. So you want to see how it looks like on like a mobile device, on an iPad, and on a desktop. So when you're done with your editing, you just click on download and you click on OK. And it brings this up here. And then what you can do is you can go in here and you can grab your different link. Like I'll just grab a link here for one of these, paste it in my browser. And what you can do is you can have a link for your page here. And you can use that if you want. You can use their hosting and their link if you want to. Or if you're someone that wants a little more control of it, you can always go in and download your page here and use it for your own business. So it has that page builder as well included inside of it. Also inside the software, they've got the, let me show here, Social Blast. So what that does is you take your link that you've created with this, and then you can automatically, will fill it in. Like if you open up Twitter, it will fill in your link here. So it's automatically here. So you just click that, then you just tweet it. Like, and then you can go through all these different social places and share your link out on all these different platforms. Now, some of them are better than others. Some of them, like WhatsApp, unless you have like a WhatsApp group that you're sharing in, don't really make much sense. But like Evernote, I don't know why you would share an Evernote, but maybe I don't understand something. But a lot of these you can use for, you can share on like a WordPress site, WeChat, Yahoo Mail. You can share on all these different websites. Like a lot of them I don't even know about. Medium, you can share on Medium. All these different places, you would just go through and do that. And probably, like I said, some of them are better than others, but it's just a way of finding some places to get free traffic if you're someone who doesn't have a budget for like paid traffic and whatnot. Or you can always hire a VA to do this for you as well. So that's the Social Blast aspect of it. It also has a Facebook poster, has a multimedia post creator that you can use with this. So as I was saying, yeah, so this is a place where you can create different, you can create posts for social media, add your name in here, add in your message. It'll show up over here, your campaign name, which pages that you want to post it to. You have different templates that you can use with this. You can have little links that you add in here, add in different images, upload videos. You can create these different social posts for your business. So this is just an extra tool that they've added in here. On top of that, they've got a call to action post creator. They've got a carousel video post creator. They've also got an SMS email subscriber thing. So this will allow you to manage and contact people by SMS and email included right inside of here. Of course, you're going to have to add in an SMTP with that to manage that. They've also got a comment bot that you can hook up with your different Facebook pages. So if you want to do Facebook marketing, they've got a bunch of different tools in here. There's the SMS one here. You can hook it up with like Twilio, Plivo, ClickTel, Nexmo, and run your SMS campaigns in here. They've also got an e-commerce store creator, and they've got some extra statistics and everything in here. Let me open that up for you. You can take a look at that. visitor analytics, social network analytics, domain analysis, tons of different tools all in one here, different plagiarism checks, all kinds of different things. It's almost like a toolbox of stuff in here. Some stuff is going to be more useful to you than others, but yeah, it's got a bunch of different stuff in here included in that front end software as well. So yeah, tons of different tools in here. Okay, so that's the front end offer, the OTOs. And I want to make sure that you know on these ones as well, if you come to these pages and you move your mouse away from them, it's going to give you a discount. Like on this one, you get a $20 discount. So it goes from 39 to 19. Make sure you do that. Again, give me a like if you like the fact that I show you this. So yeah, you're going to want to do that on all the different pages if you're going to purchase any of these OTOs. So the first one here is unlimited free buyer traffic. They give you 25 extra sources of traffic with this. So you just get even more to go along with this, some extra bonuses, unlimited usage, unlimited accounts, and they've got some kind of a guarantee here as well. So that's the first OTO. The next one here, again, you want to move your mouse away on this. You get a big discount, 120 bucks off of 197, brings it down to 77. For this one, it's a done for you traffic and sales. So they're going to do the setup for you, select products, drive traffic, drive sales for you with this one. You can get a big discount on that one. The next one here, if you move away your mouse, you get a $7 discount. Not as big, but at least you get a discount here. It's going to give you an autopilot, says autopilot function, unlock additional scaling tutorials with this one. Two more here with this one. Let's do this right here. You get a $10 discount to bring that down to 29. 100 money-making campaigns into your account with this one. And the last one here, let's move the mouse away. See what we get. $120 discount brings it down to 77 for this one. So this is gonna it's gonna give you a money-making system with this. Yeah, so this is the last OTO, last offer you're gonna be offered. So what do I like about Orion and what don't I like about it? If I did say something that I don't like about it, the traffic sources that it gives you, like I said before, some of them are better than others. There's tons of different tools kind of wrapped up into one. Some of the tools, again, are better than others. It's got a ton of different stuff in it that you're going to want to pick and choose what you use inside the software. What do I like about it? I like the page builder function of this. If you're someone that is just trying to get pages out there, you want to do bonus pages, review pages, create just one page for your website, and you don't want to pay for hosting, you don't want to pay for a domain name, or if any of the other tools that you saw here today would be at all useful for you, the low price of this could be worth it for you to pick this up. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to check out Orion, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And if you've made it this far in this review, make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.